Hello, good day. I'm Wisdom Chips. I'll be taking you on maths topic, logarithms. The logarithm of a number n to a certain base b is the power x to which the base must be raised to obtain the number. So, if the logarithm n, the base, equals x, then b, the base raised to power x, equals n. So this is the definition of logarithm. So logarithm, we are conversant with indices and logarithms. So indices referring to powers. So with the knowledge of indices and powers, we can go on to define the logarithm of a number n to a certain base in which the power x to which the base must be raised to obtain the number. So notice the logarithm of n, this number, is the power to which the base must be raised to obtain this number. So logarithm of a number in a given base equals x. So in indices, which means that the base raised to power x will give you that number, or vice versa. So let's take some examples. Find so with this logarithm of 1000, the base 10. So we have this, taking this from indices, we have that b raised to power x equals n. Okay, so we know that the logarithm of n base b equals x, and what we are looking for here is the logarithm of 1000. So we have that what value, this base here is 10, and 10 raised to what value will give us 1000. So with your knowledge of indices of powers, you realize that 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10 raised to power 3, gives you what? 1000. So we have that 10 raised to power 3 equals 1000. So hence we have that our x here equals 3. So from this instance, this applies here that the logarithm of 1000 in base 10 equals 3. Thank you. Let's take another example. Let's find the logarithm of 81 in base 3. The logarithm of 81 in base 3. Just as I said initially, that the log of a number n is the power to which the base must be raised to obtain the number. So with this definition, we can proceed to say that 3 raised to power x equals 81. So what we are looking for is the logarithm x. So this is the base 3, and here is the logarithm of the number we are looking for, 81 in base 3. So we have that 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 gives us what? 81. So with this premise, we have that 3 raised to power 4 will be the value. So from here, we can proceed, say therefore the logarithm of 81 in base 3 equals 4. So 4 is the logarithm, the power to which 3 must be raised to give us 81, which gives us the logarithm of 81 in base 3. So you try these exercises. Logarithm of 10,000 in base 3, and 2, the logarithm of 243 in base 3. Try these exercises